Rising from a tiny inlet on Loch Laich, Castle Stalker stands as one of the most striking survivors of Scotland's medieval past. It is also one of the most iconic and beautiful castles despite its tiny size. The name comes from the Gaelic Stalcaire, meaning hunter or falconer, and this castle was built around 1320 by the Clan MacDougall. It was passed to the Stewarts of Appin, who rebuilt the tower that you see in the 1400s, and it remains accessible by boat or by low tide. As we fly over this beautiful little castle, you can see towards the town of Appin on your left, and on the right we are flying towards the Linn of Lorne and towards Lismore Island. Today the castle remains in private ownership with occasional guided tours available, but for most of us we can just stand and enjoy this beautiful Scottish castle.